The husband and wife gifted themselves a new car for their first wedding anniversary. They drove downtown, zipped through the beach road, watched a movie in a drive in theater, and finally returned home. As they didn't have a garage, they parked the car on the street. When they woke up the next morning, they found to their utter shock that the car was missing. It had been stolen. Their first car, their first wedding anniversary gift, and they had barely enjoyed the car for a day. The wife couldn't take it. Misty eyed, she sank into the sofa. The husband too was jolted, but his love for his wife prevailed over the moment. He hugged her from behind and said, "The car is lost. You can feel upset about it. The car is lost. You can take it easy. Either way, the car is lost. Then why not take it easy?" She glared at him, and the moment passed. 2 months later, the police recovered the car from a car robbing gang, and the car was returned to the husband. That very evening, while driving back home from the police station, the husband rammed the car against a truck. This time it was his turn. He couldn't take it. On returning home, misty eyed, he sank into the sofa. The wife too was jolted, but her love for him prevailed over the moment. This time she hugged him from behind and said, "The car is rammed. You can feel upset about it. The car is rammed. You can take it easy. Either way, the car is rammed. Then why not take it easy?" A logical question. When the car is lost or rammed, how can anyone take it easy? But what else can you do? Feel upset if you want. Take it easy if you want. Either way, after the emotional drama, what has to be done has to be done. The police complaint has to be lodged. The car has to be sent to the workshop. The insurance has to be claimed. What has to be done has to be done. The child has failed in one of the subjects. The father slaps the child a few times. The mother hits herself on her forehead several times and cries. After all the emotional drama, what? Now you will have to take greater care while coaching your child in that subject. He might perhaps require special tuition. What has to be done has to be done. You left the milk a little longer than required on the gas stove. The boiled milk is beginning to overflow from all sides of the vessel. Scream, wail, shout, get tensed, and let your BP shoot up. After all the emotional drama, now what? You will switch the stove off, remove the vessel, and clean the kitchen counter. Eventually, what has to be done will be done. From a stock market crash to a key employee's resignation to the death of a loved one. After the emotional drama, eventually what has to be done will be done. Here, we are not discussing about not being emotional, but about avoiding dramatic emotional reactions. Understandably, you will skip a heartbeat when you lose your vehicle. You will sink into helplessness when the child fails. Legitimate tears will roll down at the loss of a beloved. Emotions, yes. Emotional drama, no. Emotional maturity is not about avoiding emotions, but it is about avoiding the emotional drama. Anyways, what has to be done has to be done. Then why the drama?